And news just coming in, India today has access to one more CCTV footage in connection with Ambani bomb scare case. The CCTV footage is from Mulund toll Naka. It shows an Innova car stopping to pay toll. Two cars, one Scorpio and another Innova, remember, had reached Ambani's resident. The driver sitting in the Scorpio abandoned the car and left in the Innova car. The cops recovered the gelatin sticks and letter from the Scorpio car. So this has been caught on CCTV cameras at a toll Naka in Mulund is what we've been given to understand. Saurabh is getting us more details on that story from Mumbai. Saurabh, just explain to us the significance of this footage. It's the person who was in fact plotting this attack who's been caught on camera essentially.
Well, Sneha, one thing is very clear that one of the accused in this whole case is now not in Mumbai. Through this CCTV footage, what the Mumbai police have access from the Mulund toll Naka. Very particularly, this Innova car, the white Innova car, first entered at around 1:20 a.m. from this particular Mulund toll Naka. This is the entry and exit point of Mumbai from the eastern side. Now, the Innova car is joined by the Scorpio car at Priyadarshini Park, that is in Chembur. From Chembur, they reach Dadar, Worli and the Altamount Road, where Mukesh Ambani's resident Antilia is present. Now, at this particular resident, in the CCTV footage which we accessed yesterday, it was clearly seen that the person sitting in the Scorpio car abandons the car and sits in the Innova and leaves the spot. Through this, inside the Scorpio car, gelatin sticks as well as the letter, the threat letter, is recovered by the police officials. Now what happens next in this, Neha, that through the same route, the Innova car is seen passing from various locations in Mumbai and then exiting from the Mulund toll Naka. From the Mulund toll Naka, they exit at around 3:05 a.m. That is around 2 hours after the whole operation was conducted by both the accused. The one thing is very clear, the Mumbai police officials and the crime branch investigating the case, that one of the accused is clearly seen escaping out of Mumbai. Now what they are doing is, after Mulund, there is area of Thane, Bhiwandi and the Nashik highway. So they are going through all the CCTV footage. So they have linked the whole path of the accused from the travel inside to Mumbai and exiting the Mumbai. So this CCTV stands very crucial, which the India Today have access, and it can be clearly seen that how accused are escaping from the Mulund toll Naka through this Innova car. And the investigations are now completely based on this CCTV footage only. The cops are now also investigating the mobile dump data. They are trying to figure out that particular mobile was present all through this part, which could get some sort of details to them.
Okay,
but for the moment, Scorpio car is recovered by the police.
Okay, Saurabh getting us all of those details from Mumbai. And these, in fact, this information is in connection with the Ambani bomb scare case.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.